UnitedMasters for Musicians Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're a musician looking for a way to distribute your music, monetize your craft, and gain exposure, UnitedMasters claims to be the ultimate platform. But is it really worth it? In this honest review, I'll break down its features, who it's for, and the pros and cons you need to know before diving in. UnitedMasters is a music distribution platform designed to help independent artists release their music on major streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music. It goes beyond traditional distribution by offering tools for branding, analytics, and even securing partnerships with big-name brands like the NBA, ESPN, and Bose. Their goal is to give artists more control over their careers without signing restrictive record label contracts. The platform caters to emerging musicians who want a cost-effective and flexible way to grow their audience while retaining ownership of their music. One standout feature is UnitedMasters' revenue model. You can choose between a free tier, which takes a 10% cut of your royalties, or a subscription plan called Select, priced at $59.99 per year. The Select plan lets you keep 100% of your royalties and includes added perks like priority playlist consideration and access to exclusive brand deals. Additionally, UnitedMasters provides artists with data insights about their listeners, helping you make smarter decisions to target your audience effectively. The Artist Tools section also allows you to create custom websites and sell merchandise directly to fans, streamlining how you connect with your supporters. Now, for the pros and cons. On the plus side, UnitedMasters gives you complete ownership of your music. This is huge for independent artists who want long-term control. The platform's focus on brand partnerships is another major benefit, offering unique opportunities to gain visibility beyond streaming platforms. The Select plan is reasonably priced for what it offers, and their mobile app makes managing your music business incredibly convenient. However, there are drawbacks. The free tier may seem appealing, but the 10% royalty cut can add up quickly as your streams grow. The platform's support system also receives mixed reviews, with some users reporting slow responses to issues. Additionally, while UnitedMasters opens doors to brand partnerships, these aren't guaranteed, and smaller artists may struggle to land deals without a sizable fan base. In summary, UnitedMasters is a solid choice for independent musicians who prioritize ownership and want tools to monetize their careers beyond just streaming revenue. The platform shines for artists with some following already, or those willing to invest in the Select plan. However, if you're just starting and need hands-on support, the limitations of the free tier might make you reconsider. Hopefully, this review helps you make an informed decision. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.